to share with you about my birthday gifts. So let's get started. So you can see these are my birthday gifts. So first of all, this clock. My friend Jannat gave me this clock. So it's funny and very cute. And my mother gave me this toy. I don't know what is this called, but there is wrote fun. And this doll is also my mother gave me. This is also my mother gave me this. And this notebook is my favorite one. And there is a big color. My grandmother gave me this. You can see this. So, and there is a bouquet. You can see there is rose, many cute rose, 2 roses. And my another grandmother gave me a dress that is very beautiful, and Seher gave me the cake. And these are our decorations. How it is beautiful. So I like my decoration at birthday. So, and my friend Anisha gave me money. So my father gave me gold, so I can show that. So bye bye.